Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing our lesson on latches. So first, let's start with the most basic type of memory preserving circuit. Okay, cool. So this guy right here starts as off, and then if I hit the switch once, it turns on and it stays on. This is important because even between runs, information is preserved. Now, this isn't great because it's impossible to turn it off with the start. Okay, now let's take a look at this. So, this is an RS NOR latch. It has a set and a reset. If it's set, it maintains the current, but if you reset it, it saves the alternative state. You can build one like this, or if you want to go vertical, you can build like this. Same idea. Now, these are the cores of our logic unit because it's the basic idea of saving memory. A lot of the times that we want to have some more intricate ways of saving memory to achieve certain properties. So let's experiment with two of these, D latches and T flip-flops. A D latch uses an RS NOR gate as its center. The important thing about the D latch is that it saves the most recent input until the clock that controls it is released. That is, if you give it a state, then as long as the clock is off, it preserves that state. However, the second the clock turns back on, the state gets reset. So, let's emulate this behavior. Here is the RS NOR latch in the center, which is going to save our information. Then, we're going to build an AND gate. And we're going to control the AND with a gate. Afterwards, we're going to go ahead and connect them. This isn't strictly speaking a necessary thing to do, but it's just for demonstration purposes. So, at all times it's going to be trying to restore the circuit to this state. However, it will be unable to do so. Oh, the knot right here makes it so it's always trying to reset to this state. However, it will be unable to do so unless the gate lets it through. So, if I click this button, nothing happens. However, if I turn the gate on, I can set the thing and then save the state. But the second I turn the gate off, it resets back to where it was before. Now, it turns out that Minecraft is a really convenient construct for doing this very compactly. Which is this. So this turns on, this turns off, usual behavior. But when I turn this on, it doesn't matter what I do, the current doesn't get through the repeater. Similarly, if I turn it on and block it, it locks the state. What's happening here is that Minecraft introduced a feature where if you power a repeater directly through the side with another repeater, it locks that repeater in whatever state it was last, so it can't change. That's what this block right here represents. Okay, these are D latches. Now, let's look at T flip-flops. Alright, let's get big. Okay, so the last video got cut off, but hopefully I can splice them together. Anyways, here's how you build a T flip-flop. It's this. There are multiple ways to do it, and you can always look up online for alternative ways, but here's one example. So what's going to happen here when I press this button is that first, this is going to lock. So it's going to maintain this on state. Then, one tick later, this is going to unlock, letting whatever new is coming in. It's going to be off because it's saved on here. So off will be pressing this one. A split second before it turns relocks, it's going to let the off through. Like so. And then the opposite's going to happen. This is a pretty compact T flip-flop design and should be everything you need for this class.